this mini routine that I put together is going to hit your whole body. If you can't get outside to do any cardio, go running, if you can't lift weights, this is gonna hit pretty much every major muscle group in some way, shape, or form. I wanna do what I'm just calling a 5x5x5. We're gonna do 5 exercises for 5 repetitions each, and we're gonna do it 5 times through, all right? You can decide what you wanna do for your break in between. You can go straight through, that's up to you. But real simply, the first exercise I want you guys to do, and again, remember, it's just 5 reps of each exercise. We're gonna start with just a basic lunge, but we're not gonna do a switching lunge. You're gonna do 5 lunges each leg. This counts as 1 exercise, and we're going to hold the lunge on one side. So I don't want you to switch legs every lunge. You're gonna get in your position, and we're gonna drop our right knee down 5 times. And that's how we start off, okay? So we're gonna do 5 lunges on our right leg, 5 lunges on our left leg. And I'm gonna keep it here the whole time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As soon as I'm done, I just switch legs and I hit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now immediately, without taking a break, we're gonna go right to our squats. We're gonna do 5 squats. Same thing, I always, if you guys need to know, hold your earlobes, try to keep your back straight and touch your elbows to your knees. That's how you know you're getting nice and low, but you don't have to start that way. But we're just gonna do nice and easy 5 squats. Make sure your feet are apart, not too close, not too far. 3, 4, 5. As soon as that's done, we're gonna go down, regular push-ups. Whatever you guys like to do, hand positioning is gonna be fine, but just bust out 5, slow, controlled, get the full benefit of the motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. As soon as that's done, we're going to V-ups. So that's gonna hit your abs. You guys didn't or don't know what V-ups are, or you haven't seen them, I did put that video out where we did V-ups in our ab routine, so you can go back and hit that. But remember, for these, arms above your head, feet off the floor, don't touch the floor again, meet in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I have variations to that because that is a tough exercise to do, especially if you haven't done it before. And so if you need to build up to doing a full V-up, we can work on that. Just let me know. The last thing I want you guys to do as part of this first round is going to be 5 burpees. Super simple, hands down, feet out. I don't care if you do a push-up or not. Jump feet up and touch the sky. 2, 3, 4, 5. So we went through 5 exercises. We did 5 reps of each. I know the lunges, we did 5 each leg. Once you get done with that, it's up to you. If you can keep going, most of you should be able to, try to do another set before you take a break. Get 1 more round in, okay? If you need to take a break, try not to take more than a minute, okay? So this should be a fairly quick workout. I mean, a minute or 2 for that first one, so maybe 10 to 12 minutes total. If you need more of a rest, obviously take it. But get it done. The faster we get it done, the more cardio you're gonna get out of it, and then we're getting that fat burn too.